Windows updates are meant to improve security and performance, but sometimes they cause unexpected problems. In August 2025, two major issues hit Windows users: SSDs disappearing from the system, and the reset this PC feature breaking. These aren't minor glitches, they can halt your work or leave you unable to recover your PC. Imagine your main storage drive vanishing or being unable to reset your computer when it's acting up. Many Windows 10 and 11 users face these exact problems this month. We'll break down what's happening, starting with the SSD bug, what triggers it and what Microsoft is saying. Then, we'll cover the recovery failure, which thankfully already has a fix. By the end, you'll know how to check if you're at risk and what steps to take. Whether you're a tech pro or a casual user, this guide will help you stay protected. Let's dive into the details and solutions for these August 2025 update headaches. The first major issue comes from Update KB5063878 on Windows 11 24H2. After installing it, some users found their SSDs vanished from Windows, completely missing from File Explorer. This usually happens during large file transfers, especially if the SSD is over 60% full and you're moving more than 50 GB at once. For most, a simple reboot brings the drive back, but not always. One user's SSD stayed missing even after several restarts. That raises fears of permanent data loss. The bug forces users to avoid big file operations, disrupting normal tasks like game installs or video editing. The risk and unpredictability make this more than a minor annoyance. Until a fix arrives, users are left anxious about their data and hardware. If your SSD disappears, try rebooting first. But remember, there's no guarantee, so caution is key. This bug has made routine computing unexpectedly stressful for many. Microsoft hasn't officially listed the SSD bug for KB5063878, but they're investigating with hardware partners like Phison. The issue may be a complex interaction between Windows and SSD firmware. For now, experts recommend avoiding large file transfers if your SSD is over 60% full. Move big files in smaller batches to reduce risk. Some users have uninstalled the update, but that can leave your system vulnerable to other threats. Most importantly, keep backups of your essential data on an external drive or cloud service. If your SSD disappears, reboot first. Stay alert for official updates and patches. Until then, caution and backups are your best defense. Another August update, KB5063875, broke the Reset This PC feature, a crucial tool for fixing major system problems. After the update, attempts to reset Windows would silently fail, leaving users stuck. This affected Windows 10 and 11 users across several versions. Microsoft responded quickly, releasing update KB5066189 the next day to fix the issue. If you're still having trouble resetting your PC, check for updates and install the latest patches. The fix restores the Reset This PC function to normal. This quick response shows how update problems can be resolved when companies act fast. Always keep your system updated to benefit from these fixes. Prompt action can minimize disruption and keep your PC running smoothly. To stay safe, check for updates regularly, especially if you've experienced these issues. For the recovery bug, installing KB5066189 should restore your reset feature. For the SSD problem, avoid transferring huge files at once, and keep your drive below 60% capacity if possible. Always back up important data to an external drive or the cloud. Know your Windows version and update history. This helps you respond quickly to new issues. Follow official news for updates on fixes. Problems with updates are usually temporary, but backups and caution can save you from major headaches. Stay informed, apply fixes promptly, and break up large file transfers until the SSD bug is patched. With vigilance, you can keep your computer running safely, even when updates go wrong.